So we made it to the greatest, absolute greatest place on earth, the Buick GS Nationals. This has got to be the busiest I have seen this place in who knows how long. The staging lanes are just packed with cars. The whole circle track is just filled with cars. Racing already started. You could hear it going in the background. I got some awesome shots, some super fast cars here. Check out how packed the staging lanes are. Something awesome about the Buick GS Nationals is they invite the Typhoons and the Cyclones out to race. They don't really have a home or a Nationals. They're a small knit community, kind of like the Buick community. So walking through the pits right now, and there's just lines of cars, trucks, trailers. It is so sweet. Just tents and tents and tents of cars. Man, I gotta get my drag car together. It literally just needs to be put together. I was just talking about it with my dad earlier. We just gotta throw it together. We can get that thing off the track. We could have had it here this year. Man, what a bummer. That's all right, we'll be back for next year. That's gonna be one of the new summer goals. I gotta finish my rest though, but we gotta get the drag car going. We're missing out. We saw that car take a massive wheelie. That thing is so sick. I love watching that car go down the track. Check out this Apollo. And this thing is sweet. I love that color too. That is sick. Fiberglass hood, 250 bucks, not bad. We're gonna miss it, we're gonna miss it. I mean, you go to any car show, any drag strip, and you see like one Buick, and you're like, that's a successful event. You come here, and there's thousands of them. Just unreal. Literally the greatest place on earth. Up. Looks like the track's up and running. Maybe I haven't gotten any shots here at the big end of the track. Let's watch these things fly by. So there you go, Cyclones and Typhoons, they're running at 925. Those things are monsters. Walking down here at the big end of the track. Let's get some shots. Oh, I hear them getting ready to fly by. They just announced the show had the highest turnout in the last 20 years. So get your Buick here next year. Let's beat that number. I'm talking to myself too. I got two of them at home. I got to get out here. Walking through the show right now. Check out this car. This thing is stunning. How freaking sweet is this thing? This thing has to be such a blast to drive. Check out that exhaust too. Everything on this car, every detail. Unreal, check out that. How sick. Just rows and rows of cars. Tons of GSXs in the concourse, which is awesome. So many concourse cars. I took a ton of photos of that when I'm doing the restoration on my 70 stage one. Stage one convertible with manual brakes. That's crazy. And it's a 4-speed. That has got to be a fun car. There's something about walking through the car show, hearing the burnouts in the background, smelling the tire smoke, the race gas. It's just such a great environment. Oh, look at the stance on this car. Absolutely killer. That thing is beautiful. And I love how they moved the front spoiler out. Super aggressive. Wow, that thing is sick. So there was a whole ginormous row of stock appearing cars here, but they're all racing. They're doing qualifying today. Let's head over to the track. Let's see some of these things make a pass. Stock appearing car with an aluminum Tomahawk block. How sick is that? Trying to break the 9s. We'll see it this weekend. I think so. Oh man, the track sounds so sick. We gotta get over there. We're almost running. I'm so excited to get over there. Hold on, let's check it out from the staging lanes here. Just cars as far as you can see. Did you even come to the racetrack if you don't stand in the tire smoke for at least a second? Oh, we gotta get over here. This white GS is beautiful. I think I just barely got it. I don't think I'm gonna make it up in time for it to get the launch. Oh man, he broke the tire. What can he do? That's racing. So we got John Stevens' car. He actually had a last minute thrash to get this thing on the road. So excited to see it here. Let's watch him make a pass. He said this motor was sitting on an engine stand for like 16 years and he threw it in here to come make a pass this weekend. Oh, that's so sick. Running at 10.9, unreal. Ooh, that thing is sick. Oh, I love the hubcaps, unreal. Imagine pulling up to a stoplight, this thing next to you. All right, here we go. 69 Special Deluxe. This is actually what I have in my garage at home, except mine's like a goldish color. Man, I can't wait to get mine to the track next time. These things are sweet. All right, it's getting down. What's it gonna run? What's it gonna run? 12.6 at 103, not bad. Another convertible, getting ready to make a pass. I love how many there are. That's sweet. Ooh, that thing sounded good. So we got the non-Buick class going right now. So this is like guys that cars broke down at the last second or they're waiting on parts. They're able to still get out here and make a few passes. A lot of them are Buick guys. Camaro blew the tire off. All right, Jeff Wild, the Wheelstander. Let's see it. Launch that thing on the bumper. I think he forgot to hit the trans brake. Uh-oh. I think he hit the wall. Man, what a bummer. I can't believe that car hit the wall. I feel so bad for him. He literally puts that thing on to put a show on for everybody. That's so unfortunate. Hopefully damage isn't so bad. Maybe we could stop by over there, let him know that he absolutely killed it, and we hope he gets the car fixed quickly because, man, the people love it. The people are going crazy. Such a bummer. Such a cool car. We got some turbo alcohol injected. Last one was TSO, Turbo Street Outlaw, and then Super 16s after this. Super 16, my absolute favorite class here. Oh, two sweet cars. We got Catlin's car, drove by Garrison, and this car. I've been seeing this car forever. This thing's amazing. Look at the blower on that thing. You know what they say? It ain't a race car if it ain't spinning a rubber band on the front of it. Oh, this thing's a freaking monster. My chest is pounding. Oh, he had to let out. And the world's fastest Buick. This thing's a monster. Oh my God, it just makes your ears explode. Whoa. I thought my ears were gonna explode. Oh my God, I literally felt my brain vibrating. Oh. The good news is, we can confirm at least I know there's something going on upstairs because I felt it vibrating. Oh man, love the dark green in the right lane. I knew it, I knew it. We talked to them in the pits earlier. He said it's got more in it. He's got more in it too. Badass convertible. Holy shit, just wheelie after wheelie after wheelie. Oh, I love this 69. Oh, I love this car. And the nitrous car behind it. I want to get a shot of it purging, but I don't want to miss this car launching. Oh, hell yeah, the boost juice, the go-go juice. A little bit of giggle gas. Oh shit, they blew it up. Parts are flying everywhere. Too much nitrous. That is why nitrous is dangerous. I absolutely love this nitrous car. This thing is so sick. Bad-ass car. Nitrous big block. Love this color too. This thing is nasty, dude. Oh man. All right, hit it. There it is. Purging the nitrous. And I hope this thing does an amazing pass. There it is. Let's go. 8.5. Oh, 156. That thing is scooting. How cool is that? They also have the animal shelter, brought a bunch of animals to be adopted, and they're covering all adoption fees. So you can bring home an animal for free. Pretty cool. My brother just bought a house, almost thinking about getting him a housewarming kit. I think he could use the company. Also, huge shout out to John Jr. and all the sponsors and vendors. Thank you for helping get together and put an event on like this. It's unreal. I can feel the sun cooking my neck. I think it's safe to say I'm gonna be a redneck after this. It is race day. That's beautiful outside, super lucky. The pits are completely backed up. So many cars making passes today. Everybody's hooking up. They're getting down the track quick. But it's also bittersweet because that means it's the last day of the GS Nationals. You want a Porsche instead? Insane. The most absolute gorgeous cars on earth, I swear. Look at these things. Hell yeah. The pits are just filled from end to end. That's it. I'm bringing 2 cars down next year. Absolutely. Illinois plates, local car. And the more Illinois plates, man, GSR's got so many cars from Illinois. I think it's a sign. I think it's a sign. Making our way down to the big end of the track. Just hearing the cars fly by. Beautiful weather. Uh-oh. Somebody's having a work day. That's not the speed you want to be going when you go through the traps. Hopefully he gets it sorted out and can get back out here and make his pass. Beautiful 17 brown, that's actually a color I think mine is supposed to be. It won't be painted that color though, although I do like it a lot. My car is actually a triple brown car. Brown vinyl, brown interior, and brown exterior. So yesterday I didn't even really get a chance to wrap it up, but that's because my dad tossed me the keys and let me drive the GSX back to the hotel, so that was sick. Got to cruise that thing around Bowling Green a little bit, and oh man, things just was turning heads everywhere. Such a cool car, so fun to drive with a 4-speed. Eliminations are coming out. They just finished qualifying. Everybody's being put in the moon tune in the car. Super excited to see those things.
award is going to go to Pat Sweeney with a GSX Barn Find. Pat, there he is.
Who's my hero? It's a great question. Well, I think my dad is my hero because he's someone that I look up to every day. My dad.
How insane was that? We had no idea we were getting an award. My dad has been thrashing on that car, trying to make it roadworthy from when we pulled it out of that barn back in October. And we got it down here, driving it around here, put it in the show, and it got an awesome award, the Dennis Manor and Greg Sincato Award. Such a great feeling, well deserved. That's a cool car. We saved it, and we're able to share it with everybody here.